Yes, my name is Ryan Shoop. I've been with the company Hulihan Outdoor Solutions now, going on about 17 years. Been doing lighting in the lighting industry now for give or take 16 years. And so right here we have a couple different lights we used. The purpose of using these lights, there's a couple reasons. One of the reasons was the wattage of the fixture. The MR16 compared to the PAR 36. The PAR 36 we can go up 15, 18 watts. They get a lot of the higher up in the canopies for the bigger trees. The MR16s, we can still get some good amount of lumen power out of the MR16. Not quite the same. In this particular application, I went with the MR16 with the addressable shroud for glare control purposes. So when you're coming down the street at night, you know, I couldn't really get the angle with the PAR 36 fixture with the short shroud. At that angle, it would have caused extreme glare and discomfort driving down the road. And it's a big thing of mine is glare control. It's a pet peeve. And over here we use another type of fixture, an in-ground well light. The purpose of this light here was once again glare control. This fixture actually lights the upper portion of the oak tree out towards the street, which you can't see right now, but you'll see at night. And there was no way to get this branch accented without either core drilling into the driveway or putting the light fixture in the yard with a grass ring, which we typically don't like to do because you can still see the source of light. It's hard to contain the glare. So the mulch application, we got a good angle on it. The beam spread was just right to get the whole branch, and it really turned out really good. So we did a little bit of design concept change in the back. We still did some uplights on the bigger trees out in the back of the property. But as far as on the back, on the facade, the homeowner was discussing about light pollution in the windows and what he can do as far as control systems. And he already had an in-home Lutron system that we plan on tying the lights into. So it'll be app controlled, also keypad controlled. That way they have the accessibility to turn it on and off whether or not they have guests, or they can just turn it off and leave it off if they're not going to use it. But we did a flush mount Kichler fixture. It comes in a white finish. It was a little bit difficult for the application. We managed to do it in a day for 15 fixtures installed, which is pretty good for the process that it took to put the wiring up for this product. But you can see the back of the house. We also went up on the second level. Notice that we also did some downlighting up there as well, and that helped control the glare into the windows, the bedrooms and whatnot. But it really tied it all in. You get some stunning views from across the way from the golf course side. The main road when you come in is on that side, so everybody comes in the neighborhood and sees this back portion of the house. So this is really important to them as well as the front. Thanks for joining me here today in Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida. I appreciate you guys coming out and taking the time, share my ideas with you and the creativity we do here at Hulihan Territory with our lighting and designs, and I really appreciate it, and thanks again.
Lighting Warehouse has the fixtures, lamps, and other accessories to make your landscape lighting dreams come true. Buy it all today on lightingwarehouse.com. Chat with our exceptional customer service team for help with your landscape lighting essentials. You can find all that and more on lightingwarehouse.com, helping to light your way. Follow us on social media and visit our website for products and get more information covering landscape lighting from A to Z.